Introduce highlight features or overview summary about Boxing 3 liters top fill humidifiers. Creating a healthier, more comfortable home environment is easier than ever with the Boxing humidifier. Designed to deliver long-lasting relief and effortless convenience, this unit combines thoughtful design with powerful performance, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, and even for plant care. At the heart of its performance is a spacious 3-liter water tank that provides up to 30 hours of continuous cool mist. This means you can enjoy a full day and night of moisture without worrying about frequent refills. The top fill design makes refilling quick and simple. Just lift the lid and pour water directly into the wide opening. No flipping tanks, no spills, and no messy floors. In addition to reliable humidification, the Boxing humidifier is equipped with features that enhance your everyday life. Its optional night light offers just enough brightness for late-night checks on your baby or a trip to the bathroom, without disrupting your sleep. If you prefer complete darkness, the light can easily be switched off. For added relaxation, you can use your favorite essential oils to transform the mist into a soothing aromatherapy experience, turning your space into a calming retreat after a long day. Noise is never an issue, thanks to an advanced noise reduction chip that ensures whisper-quiet operation at just 20 decibels. Whether you are sleeping, working, or simply relaxing, the humidifier runs silently in the background, maintaining peace and comfort. Control is made simple with an intuitive knob that lets you adjust mist levels effortlessly, even in the dark. Cleaning is equally easy. The wide tank opening and streamlined design allow for hassle-free maintenance, ensuring your humidifier stays hygienic and effective. Safety is also built in, with automatic shut-off when water levels run low and BPA-free materials for peace of mind for both babies and adults. With its thoughtful features, sleek design, and reliable performance, the Boxing humidifier is more than just an appliance, it's a daily companion for comfort, wellness, and peace of mind. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.